we are going to be making golden beets. Golden beets are a fantastic side to just about any meal. And what I recommend is you need at least 3 medium-sized golden beets for 2 people. If you're serving 4 people, you'd need 6, and so on. The process is pretty simple. First, we're going to be cleaning them, washing them. We're going to be cutting off the ends. We're going to be slicing them. Then we're going to be dicing them. Then we're going to mix them with some herbs and olive oil and baking them for about 20 to 30 minutes in the oven at 425 degrees. So we'll take a closer look at the process and you can join along. Not surprisingly, baked beets have a very earthy flavor, but it's not a bitter flavor. With these herbs and baking it for 25-30 minutes, it's got a very light and delicious flavor. I think you'll enjoy it very much. Okay, now we have our golden beets cleaned, and they've been peeled, and they've been sliced, and they've been diced. So now we're ready to put these in with all the spices and get ready for cooking. Okay, now the beets are covered with olive oil and spices, and the olive oil will prevent it sticking to the pan. And we'll just literally spread those out on a pan. Temperature of the oven is 450 degrees. Time from start to finish on this appetizer or side dish is about 30 minutes from the time you start dicing to the time they come out of the oven. These look delicious now. Look at, they're coming along. It's been about 15 minutes. And the way to test them, of course, is first you stir them up a little bit. And then you just take a fork and test your beets. You can tell pretty quickly if the fork quickly goes through the beet, then you are good to go. These are just a little bit underdone, but I'm guessing another 3 minutes on these beets, and we will be ready to rock and roll. All right, here I've plated our golden beets. I've actually added an interesting little side with some cilantro, which is not only colorful, but adds a little bit of flavor. We have some avocado and tomatoes. The rest of tonight's dinner is actually going to be Beisenburger with a side of basmati rice. So we'll add all that together and be fantastic. I hope you can enjoy this side with many meals you make.